Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the latest filework Swiss Army knife run by Tom Stratton. He did give those Swiss Army knives back at the Blade Show 2015. This one here is a Yeoman. We see the main blade is already fileworked. Each one is done by hand and unique. Most of you that watch my videos already know what that is. Basically this video just gonna show the examples of the different filework Swiss Army knives. Now they are still together, and in a while they are sold all over the world. We did make from each piece 2 pieces. Those are basically older runs. Tom needs quite some time to do the filework. The one that is in my hand is a soldier in burgundy red, so that is in the newsletter as well. This one is a carver. It has 2 main blades and both of them got fileworked. Absolute beautiful work that Tom does. Because of the shininess, sometimes the camera has a bit of trouble to see all the details. There are also videos on other runs that Tom did on the swissbianco YouTube channel, also pictures of those knives on the swissbianco Facebook. This one here is a summer lavender cadet. Next one is a summer lavender soldier knife. Again, only 2 pieces were made with the filework, so that's gonna be a really raw knife. Filework is mainly a decorative process. It gives you a bit serration on the blade as well, in case you want to have more grip, but mainly it's a decorative process. This one is a Naranja orange carver. We see both main blades are fileworked as well. That's sure one of the most stunning pieces in that run. Here we have a Alox lumberjack in silver. Yeoman with the metal saw. We see on this sample that Tom did make a bit more crosses on the filework. Tom is basically free on what he gonna put on, as long as it is nice looking and working. He is completely free on that, and so far all work that he did was really well. Now to the smaller ones, 58mm. There of course the blade is way smaller, so the file work is smaller as well. Yeah, that's it for this run. They're gonna be pretty soon on the swissbianco webshop, and yeah, each one 2 pieces. That is just half of the run that we did, and even the 2 of the same Swiss Army knife have not the same file work on it, so really each piece is unique. So that much about the latest file work Swiss Army knife run by Tom Stratton for the Blade Show 2015.